What's up, everybody? This is Ash with Card Junkie, and today we got a box of DARKWING BLAST to open. Let's see if we get some good pulls today. Let me know down in the comments what's your favorite card from the set, and see if we can't get 50 likes. All right, let's open it up and see what we got. Then I'll do another movie. I got a case of that Magnificent Mavens open and a few random booster packs, so there'll be a couple videos here. Alright, now let's see what we got, or see what we can pull. Natural Cricket, Amazon's Secret Arts, Turbo Tainted Hot Rod, Ninjutsu Art of Dancing Leaves, and Castra Birth. Alright. And nothing after that. Alright. Amazoness Pet Liger King, Amazoness Silver Swordmaster, Cucumber Horse, Blackwing is Onto the Dusk, and Terrors in the Hidden City. And nothing else. The Dusk again. Tri Brigade Showdown. Silver Swordmaster. Tear Element Scream. And a Branded Regain. I guess not a bad way to start off a box with 3 foils for 3 packs. But I know there's bigger pulls out there. Decisive Battle of Golconda, Amazon's War Chief, Castra Ogre, Hanshi Kudo Spirit, and Sprite Double Cross. Nothing left in there. Scareclaw Twin Saw, Fitting and Entertainment, Jesus. Two Elements Heartbreak, Gaudy Cosmos, and Zep Ruby of the Gaudy. Pretty cool. Up there, that's it for the rest of those ones. Secret Arts, Ninjutsu, Entertainment, huh? Elements, Heartbeat, Gaudy Fury, over there, that's it again. Oh. 6 foils out of 6 packs. I've done that in a while. Secret Arts. What? Omnibus. Or Amazonian Spiritualist. Decisive Battle of Golanda. Yeah, Secret Claw. Alright, so back to it. Check those ones. Gosh, Ogre. Ninjutsu. Tribe Brigade Showdown. Soul Scissors. And there we go. Elements, Rokolos. Nice. Nice secret rare. That's pretty cool. Alright. Let's go ahead and sleeve this one up real quick. There we go. Nice looking card. Cool, right on. Alright. Next pack. Every pack has been a foil or better. I like it. Let's keep this momentum going here. Exceep Omen of the Gaudy. Castria Preparations. Limit Scream. Turbo Tainted Hot Rod. And Dynamite Power Load Draco Slayer. Pretty cool. I believe that's it. Alright, Cucumber Horse. Tilting Entertainment. Kastura Ogre. Decisive Battle of Golanda. And Kastura Finfer. That's cool. Wow, nice. That's about it for that one as well. I had to do a slight adjustment. Alright, here we go. Ninjutsu Art Tool. Mole Cricket. Salamander Catalyzer. Vernosalif and Full Bloom. And a Bishop Magnamut. Magnamut. Something like that. Wow. Foil every pack. I wonder if it's supposed to be that way? Or if it's... I don't know. Amazoness Spiritualist. Kakastra Preparations. Gaudy Cosmos. Vernusilif in full bloom. And last but not least, Blackwing Warstrom, the Wicked Wind. Alright. Wow, that one whole half of that box was all foils. Or better. Wouldn't mind Starlight. Salamander Catalyzer. Vern's Left in full bloom. Exeep. Exeep. Omen of the Gaudy. Castura Preparations. And a Logic Aggregator. That's pretty cool. Wow. Anybody, let me know, drop down and comment, or post a comment. Let me know, is this whole box supposed to be at least foil or better, or am I missing something here? Because out of every single pack, I've had a foil or better for every pack. Let me know down in the comments. Castura Preparations, Tailormade Scream, Cricket, or Natura Mole Cricket, cheese, we just have cheese, okay, Tri Brigade Showdown, cheese. Blackwing Chinook the Snow Beast, another foil, that's awesome, that's cool. Alright, another pack here. Tailormade Scream, Turbo Tainted Hot Rod, Amazoness Pet Liger, Amazoness Silver Swordmaster, and Blackwing Vada, the Emblem of Wandering. Pretty cool card. Alright. Scareclaw Twins, Twin Saw, Liger, Soul Scissors, Vengefulness in full bloom, Simul Archdreams, and nothing left. Cucumber Horse, Black Wings Under the Dusk, Decisive Battle of Galanda, Amazoness War Chief, and after the sword, let's see, Arion Post Serpent of the Gaudy, and I know I did that name wrong. That's it for that one. Come on, let's get another secret rare, possibly a Starlight. Any of those would be great. Castra Preparations. Exeep Omen of the God. Yeah. Let's see here. Child's Heartbeat. Salamandra Callus here, and a Branded Beast. Watch this whole box of hollows. Kastira Ogre. Hanshi Kudo Spirit. Amazon Seeker's Hearts. Ninjutsu. And Wallow, founder of the Drudge Dragons. Ninjutsu Art Tool. Gaudy Cosmos. Turbo Tainted. Hot God. Amazon Silver Swordmaster. And a Spellbound. Nice. Just waiting for that another secret rare to come out. There it is. Spellbound. Another card that's actually pretty good. All face-up monsters your opponent currently controls cannot be shooted or used as materials for fusion, synchro, XYZ, or link summoning until the end of this turn. And that's it for those. I'm going to go ahead and sleeve this up real quick. There we go. Awesome. Hanshi Kudo Spirit. Amazon's War Chief. Kashitra Ogre. Ninjutsu. Baku the Beast Ninja. Baku. Right, that's it. Alright. Got 3 more packs to go. Emma's Pet Liger. Cucumber Horse. Salamander Catalyst. Full Moon, and more stuff. Black Feather Whirlwind. Black Feather Whirlwind. Alright, cool looking card. Alright, 2 more packs. Tri Brigade Showdown. Soul Scissors. Ninjutsu. Jeez. Natural Cricket. And a Castra Unicorn. Pretty sick looking card. That's it for that one. And the last pack. Come on, Starlight. I got a Zeep Omen of Gaudi, Blackwing Zones of the Dusk. Soul Scissors. Amazon Spiritualist. And Vernislif of the Misting Seedlings. Wow. Every pack with a foil, or better. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that, but somebody drop a comment, let me know. That's pretty cool, though. Alright. And then I had a few random packs that I found the other day as well. Figured we could open these as well. So we got a Dimension Force, Battle of Chaos, Power of the Elements, and Brothers of Legend. Let's start with Dimension Force. Vivid Tale. Mad Mauler. General Probe. Crow Tengu. And a Therion Disclosium. Alright, another Ultra. And that's it of that one. And let's go ahead and do a Battle of Chaos. Dora of Fate. Clear New World. Skilled Brown Magician. Doll Monster Bear. And Vampire Ghosts. And that's it for those. Let's go ahead and do the Power of the Elements. Vendred, Crawler Soma, Mary Melifs, Tearlamon's Havens, and EN Engaged Neospace. And that is it. And our last pack, Brothers of Legend. And here we go. Dollhouse. F.A. Eating Spirit. Hyper Rank Up Magic Utopia Force. Zexal Catapult. And Infernoid Terra. That's pretty cool. Add it to the collection I already got. I think I got like 5 of these, but no matter. Alright. Cool. Alright, that's it for this video, guys. Go ahead and subscribe, like the video, share, comment, and get as many likes as possible. And I think the next video, I'm going to be opening up the new box, or the new set, the Magnificent Mavens. I'll catch you guys later.